Before you climb, pause to breathe and focus on the task ahead. Safety starts with a clear mind and full attention to both ascent and descent. Stay aware of your body, maintain balance, and watch your surroundings. Each step reflects diligence and responsibility, not just for yourself but for others nearby. Approach every action with confidence and care, letting safety guide your decisions. Taking your time ensures a successful and secure outcome. This chain of cautious actions creates a strong culture of safety. Safety isn't merely observed in this environment. It becomes firmly embedded in the actions of everyone present. Each complete climb reinforces this culture. Your awareness has a ripple effect on the entire workspace. It promotes an environment steeped in vigilance. Others feel inspired to follow your example. Safety transcends being just a guideline. It evolves into a shared philosophy among the team. This philosophy nurtures trust and overall well-being. The reproductive cycle of diligence continues. It builds a legacy founded on mutual awareness. Shared responsibility is a key part of this legacy. This ultimately fosters a strong community. In this community, climbing the ladder equates to reaching new heights. It also provides peace of mind while working. Harness this commitment and let it guide your actions. You hold the power to transform mundane tasks into lessons of safety. These lessons benefit everyone around you. As you stand at the top of the ladder, take a moment to appreciate the view. Reflect on your careful preparation before starting the task. The satisfaction of completing the task safely illuminates your day. Carefully execute your work, whether it's hanging a picture or inspecting a roof. When finished, descend steadily while maintaining 3 points of contact. These movements reinforce the principles that guide you. As your feet hit the ground, a sense of accomplishment washes over you. You have completed your task successfully. You did so with an unwavering commitment to safety. You also demonstrated responsibility throughout the task. Give yourself a moment to transition back to solid ground. Acknowledge that your diligence has set an example for observers. They witness the importance of careful ladder usage. They also see the value of following safety protocols. This steady, supportive presence fosters an environment of shared vigilance. With every ladder climb, you contribute to a safer community. Each person understands the vital importance of safety in every step. Your commitment doesn't end when you're back on solid ground. It ignites conversations about best practices and inspires a network of shared vigilance. An environment built on these principles reinforces the value of safety. Safety is not just an individual effort. It is a collective mission that uplifts everyone involved. As you reflect on your experience, remember the lessons learned. 5. Every successful climb strengthens the fabric of a safety-focused community. Our collective vigilance is key to maintaining this culture. It ensures a legacy of unmatched care and awareness. This legacy illuminates the path for future generations. Together, we can continue to prioritize safety in all tasks. Each ascent becomes a triumph of responsibility. In the next video we will discuss about scaffolding components. Stay connected with us. Thank you.